3, 2, 1. Urfi.
Sudhanshu ji, Urfi, Jasmine and
Urfi.
two people said
Jasmine.
Who did you?
You're a liar, and cameras never lie. Facts are facts, India, and the whole thing has been cut. So the whole reason that happened was because she and Maheep were.
Also, she got really upset.
Janhvi ji used to come with Cartier, Van Cleef, like a whole set.
I was really
She
not
used
paying
to be
attention to all of
bejeweled.
that.
Because she used to come and show me, because I'm the fashion commentator. Coming to the tree, they strung up a man. They say he murdered 3. Strange things did happen here, no stranger would it be if we met at midnight in the hanging tree. Are you coming to the tree?
Hello everyone, this is Aina and welcome to Instant Bollywood. I'm in conversation with the cast of Traitors. So nice to have you guys.
Thank you.
Okay, we're going to do quick questions and quick answers only.
Yay!
Okay, so I'm going to start off. पहले तो मैं कुछ टाइटल्स दूंगी आपको बस बताने के कौन से नाम इंडिविजुअली आपको लगता है. The Cunning One जो शो में है.
I think we've all consensus on Apurva.
Apurva.
Cunning.
Cunning. Innocent One जो शो में है.
Jannat.
जन्नत. ठीक है. एक इंसान जो बहुत फूडी था.
Foodie?
एक foodie था.
Ashish ji.
Ashish ji.
Even Lakshmi, like she would always talk about like the mutton and all of that.
Yeah, and the most finicky food order used to be Janhvi ji's.
Oh yeah.
The most perplexing. प्रोडक्शन परेशान हो जाता था उनसे
ये
खाना
नहीं
लेके
चाहिए,
आने
gluten
के
नहीं
लिए.
चाहिए, वो नहीं चाहिए वैसा.
नहीं, she used to eat very like, she eats very healthy food, like very like, you know,
But also religious.
vegan leaning
Yeah, she had
kind
she had
of,
yeah,
and
religious
Jain,
things,
and so it
yeah.
was very that.
सुनो onions
Then-
and garlic
Yeah.
and potatoes.
So उनका खाना हमेशा अलग होता था.
Okay, intense. एक इंसान जिसको कैमरा अटेंशन बहुत चाहिए.
Sufi Motiwala.
All eyes on me!
I love that.
All eyes on Sufi Motiwala.
एक इंसान जो सच में बहुत जेन्यून है.
Jannat.
जन्नत.
My
Who else
answer is
was
Jannat.
genuine though, yeah, on the show? I think Purav also is a very genuine person.
Oh wait.
अरे
Genuine मतलब कैसे?
Outside the show?
नहीं.
Like as a
outside
human
as a
person.
person. As a person.
As a person
कौन
कुछ भी है ना
जेन्यून
वो.
लगता है?
लगता तो ये है.
Genuine तो सब थे यार.
नहीं.
लगता तो यही नाम
आपको कौन ingenuine लग रहा है?
already.
I mean, it's a show ना, but I feel अंदर अंदर आपको ज़्यादा पता होगा कि जेन्यून कौन है कौन नहीं.
What does genuine mean?
Genuine, real
Real
people.
I thought everybody was genuine. Raj Kundra was genuine.
Yeah.
मतलब वो झूठ बोल ही नहीं पाए, वो बोल बेचारे जैसे थे वैसे वो खेल रहे थे और चले गए.
वो भी स्ट्रेटजी हो सकती है पर हाँ.
Oh my God, you thought way more than us.
Anshana कुछ बोल रही है. Okay, someone जिसको who doesn't have the brains to play the show.
Okay guys, you know what we should do on this? We should say 3, 2, 1 and everybody
Okay.
says their name together.
Okay, three.
Three.
No, wait, I've not thought my name
Okay,
through.
think.
Okay.
जो जिसको गेम नहीं खेलना आ रहा था.
हाँ नहीं खेला रहा. Is a better way to put it out. Okay.
ठीक है.
3,
2, 1.
Sudhanshu
Urfi.
ji.
Sudhanshu ji, Urfi, Jasmine and
Urfi.
two people said.
Jasmine.
Who did you say? I said Sudhanshu. Who did you
Jasmine.
say? Okay.
Yes.
Two Jasmine, one
Jasmine.
Urfi, one Sudhanshu.
But Jasmine was the one जिसने predict कर लिया था कि
आपका
Elnaz
क्वेश्चन
would-
क्या था? आप एक बार रिपीट करोगे जो आपने पढ़ा था?
Someone who doesn't have the brains to play the show.
Doesn't have the brains to play the
Brains
show. I
तो
think she
सबके
got
पास
the
थे,
brains.
but वो
सबके
use
पास.
नहीं कर रहे
No, she
थे.
got the brains, but it's just that
but
वो
she
show
doesn't-
उसके
yeah.
लिए she was too innocent to play that game. वो
Oh
strategy,
my
वो
God,
सारी
yes,
चीजें.
because it was
yeah,
episode
like
6
even
when
Jasmine.
Jasmine realized that इस game में लोग झूठ बोल रहे हैं.
Yeah, so
On
she was
episode
need to play
6,
this
Jasmine,
game.
So
me
yeah,
and
so
Apurva were in
I
a
changed my
car.
answer to Jasmine.
Yeah.
Jasmine, me and Apurva were in a car and we were explaining to her that, you know, this is happening, this is our theory, this is that. And she comes out of the car and she's like, अब मुझे समझ आया, इस गेम में तो झूठ भी बोल सकते हैं. So I think Jasmine would be the answer here.
But someone who acts dumb but isn't.
Me, I love being dumb, but I'm not dumb that much.
Who acts
That's my
dumb.
answer.
Elnaz
The show,
also
na?
कहीं ना कहीं.
Yeah, then I'll say Elnaz and
In the
Purav
game,
both for that
Elnaz
matter.
acted dumb, but she really isn't.
No, even
life-
Purav acted quite dumb.
No,
No.
No,
He
Purav
acted
acted
dumb.
unaware.
Yeah.
He didn't
क्या
act
होता है?
dumb.
Purav just kept quiet.
ये pretend करती थी कि इसे कुछ समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है. He used to behave that वो कुछ देख ही नहीं रहा है और उसे कुछ पता ही नहीं है.
I was legit acting dumb. I was legit saying,
वो
I
खाली
said I
मुस्कुराता
don't
था
have
bro.
the
He used to
brains
just
to play
smile.
this
You ask
game.
him पूरब तेरा नाम बता. He used to be like, अरे भाई.
No,
छोड़ो
ये
ना.
रफ्तार बोल रहे थे, रफ्तार
कि
जी
मेरा
बोल
नाम
रहे थे
पूरब है।
कि उनके नाम
कि
है
मेरा
ये,
नाम पूरब।
तो मेरे भी नाम वो है.
नो एक इंसान जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा सिक्योर्ड है एज अ पर्सन.
आशीष जी.
Yeah.
आशीष जी
Yeah.
hands down. He
आशीष
did not
जी.
care कि हम
Mahim
क्या
also.
कर रहे हैं, क्या बोल रहे
Mahim
हैं.
also.
Yeah,
My
Mahim.
answer is
Mahim.
Mahim.
महीप एंड आशीष जी.
Yeah.
But they were the wisdom of the show anyway.
Yeah. Yeah.
फेयर. एक इंसान जो बहुत ही बुरा सीक्रेट कीपर था. और
They were all very good secret keepers.
अपूर्वा.
हाँ.
अपूर्वा. क्योंकि मैं बताती हूँ
I
क्यों.
agree.
हाँ.
क्योंकि 2 बार मैंने और अपूर्वा ने शील्ड का ब्लफ किया है कि उसके पास शील्ड है. मैंने किसी को नहीं बताया कि उसके पास नहीं है. उसने पहली शील्ड का जो ब्लफ
मुझे
था
बता
वो
दिया
जाके
था.
इसको बताया और एलनाज को बताया जो कि ट्रेटर थी.
अरे
खुद जाके और दूसरे शील्ड का ब्लफ उसने जाके पूरा
पूरब को
बताया जो
बताया.
ट्रेटर था.
Yeah.
तो वो नहीं रख पाती थी.
No, she would yap too much
Yes.
in those moments, yeah. But she did well.
यू हैव अ नेम.
ये अपूर्वा.
अपूर्व.
Apurva.
Okay.
Unanimously.
Someone who got attention without even trying.
जानवी जी.
Yes, absolutely, जानवी जी.
But you know, it was not without reason. There was a whole reason that the Janvi Mahib
Yeah,
happened.
yeah.
It was because me, Janvi ji and Mahib ji were in the same car and she told me that she thinks Apurva is the traitor. And we said no. She then went and told Apurva that me and Mahib are saying Apurva are the traitor. And
she's done
that's
the
why
same
the
thing.
whole fight started.
But I think she did
there was a
all
whole
of that
thing,
without
Aina,
the same
where I
thing
was
again.
yelling to her face saying, "You're a liar and cameras never lie. Facts are facts, India." And the whole thing has been cut. So the whole reason that happened was because she and Mahip were.
Also, she got really upset because apparently Harsh said you're doing black magic,
magic.
but what Harsh did not say that.
Harsh just
and
asked.
she was spiraling.
The thing was she was taking away too
Everybody
much
was
of our
spiraling.
time. Like she was.
Yeah.
When I
But
say
she was
attention,
also
she
the
was
best
just-
dressed on the show.
I'm coming to that question. Okay. Who do you think कि बहुत ज़्यादा फसी था कि अरे नहीं मुझे ये नहीं चलेगा, मुझे ये रूम नहीं चाहिए, मुझे कुछ
अंशुला.
और-
Anshula.
No, not for the room and all.
Not for the
But
room.
timings,
Yeah.
But yeah. क्योंकि
goings, comings.
Not from what the point of view she's asking.
No,
guys.
no.
I was more fussy from the point of view कि हमें time पे खाना मिलना चाहिए, protective gear होने चाहिए, doctor
She was
set पे
fussy
होना
for
चाहिए.
the
for us.
cast.
Safety
Yeah.
and
So basically हम सबके behalf में अंशुला बोलती
मैं
थी.
बस
Society.
advocate करती थी. Just
The producer in you.
Yes,
yeah,
yes.
in that sense, I was very fussy about the fact
Yeah.
that take care of us if you've called us to do this for you.
Absolutely. No, I think even
And I also was one of those people कि जैसे she couldn't find her dry shampoo, तो dry
Yeah.
shampoo दिया मैंने extra.
She sent
But we
dry
had a
shampoo to
camaraderie
my
like that, all of us. I
Yeah.
think our shadows used to run in between rooms
Yeah.
every
Yeah,
night.
so I used to be the one giving them
They don't
sunscreen to
understand
put
what
before we
that
went for an outdoor mission.
Important.
And all. So I was very like finicky about this.
and then I gave you my hat.
Yeah.
okay, someone who looked great without hair and makeup.
Nobody. Everybody looked like a
Everyone
human
did their
being for
own,
once.
Yeah, but without hair and makeup आता कौन था सभी?
हाँ,
नहीं,
सब
मतलब
अपना करके
आपने
आते थे।
देखा है ना
Without a
हेयर एंड
team,
मेकअप के
without a team.
बिना उनको भी तो
Mission में.
Or
El Nas,
wherever.
bro.
No, but
I think
feel
all
like-
the women looked really beautiful. That's why they're
Fine.
like.
Like even Jasmine looks really pretty on
Yeah,
the show.
they all
like,
look
Janat
very
looks
beautiful.
so pretty on the show.
Fair. Okay, who do you think has a strong voice?
like strong as in.
Not like आवाज but like strong voice की वो जब जैसे ही बोलेगी
अपूर्वा.
आप
अपूर्वा.
Apurva and Urfi दोनों,
Urfi
but
also,
yeah, like Apurva and Urfi दोनों.
Yeah.
I have a voice. I keep saying, but nobody listens to me.
that's not different.
It's not strong. It's just
His
there.
voice is
voice.
more from even from a comedic, dramatic
Yeah.
point of view.
Another humor.
Meme wala.
So yeah.
Yeah. Who do you think is the best dressed on
Janvi
the show?
ji.
जानवी जी? नहीं नहीं सबका अलग अलग नाम.
अब सब अलग
I
अलग दे
think
सकते हैं
Ella-
Now
ना.
the fashion commentator said जानवी जी. No,
Because I think, you know, even in the missions, if you look at her, Miss Thing was eyeliner ready, stacks of bangles on. She was not, she didn't care where she was. She was
I'm finding
constantly
Jasmine
giving
also
a
quite
look.
cute.
Yeah, I
like
think
I'm finding
Ella is
Jasmine
Jasmine.
cute. And I feel like some of Urfi's looks also now you may change your mind, but like some of Urfi's looks
No,
were
no,
also,
but it's that.
like I
But
liked.
we were
I
all
enjoyed.
still in the house of casuals.
Yeah, yeah.
Janvi ji used to come with Cartier, Van Cleef, like a whole
Oh my
set.
God.
I was really
She
not
used
paying
to be
attention to all of
bejeweled. Because she used to come and show me, because I'm the fashion commentator.
Yeah.
She used to come and show me that, Sufi, what do you think about the look today? And she used to give me a breakdown of everything. And then she left a bracelet for me and Apurva at the end of the show.
And from the men, I feel like Harsh had some very good looks.
I mean, not to be a diva, but me and Harsh were in opposite rooms, so I used to literally like, he used to show me what he was wearing, and I used to be like, add a neck piece, change the jacket. I used to literally give him also notes.
Ella, do you have a name?
I was so busy being a traitor, I couldn't, I don't know. I
don't remember.
I did not pay attention to the clothes. I was just like, strategy. But I think everybody was looking amazing, honestly. We put a lot of time and effort into choosing the outfits before the show, all of us. The
And
team
Amazon
did a great
was very
job.
active
And
also. They were like
everybody
vibes.
dressed as per how they really dress in real life, because it was our own clothes.
Yeah.
So I think everyone just did well the way.
Yeah, I think all of you. Who do you think, जिनका fashion style, I wouldn't say worst dress, but you didn't vibe with their style? कि वो
All the
आप-
hetero men of the show. I was not vibing with that.
I'm not really paying attention to who I didn't vibe from a
Yeah,
clothes
okay.
perspective. भाई हमारे
मतलब
पास
ये मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगा ज़रा
नहीं, आपके पास बहुत टाइम है ये सब questions
हाँ.
But they are viewers, na? They only will ask the questions.
like this is
Okay, y'all don't have a.
And
Worst
my
to Biryani,
least
yeah.
favorite fashion was
The
like
cloak.
least favorite look
The
of
red
the
cloak.
season was Raj's like the look that he wore on the circle, that was those tikris
dangling
coming
Yeah,
out.
right, even
It
I
just
didn't
gave
like
me
that.
the ick.
Yeah.
The
yeah.
tikris,
Didn't like
they
it.
were just not for me.
Yeah.
I don't
Guys,
remember.
Agree.
Yeah.
it was like
I
a
also
beige
didn't like
shirt
that.
with
It was a
things
red
hanging.
maroonish shirt and they had beige tikris on it.
What is tikri?
ऐसे मतलब like ऐसे टिक्की
hanging
टिक्की निकल
dangler,
जैसे ये कैसे
dangler.
यहाँ पे है
Tassels.
yeah
Tassels, yeah.
but they were not dhaga, they were these like small like marbly things. It was just not the vibe.
I think in Circle of Shark, it was just the attention was just on Karan's outfits, to be honest.
Oh,
Like as
the
a
best
viewer,
dress.
Because
Yeah,
that's
but
the
he
whole
was
point
fun.
of Karan Johar
Yeah,
on the
it was
show.
fun.
That
Yeah.
he is the evil maniac who's put us in this palace.
Like breakfast also his outfit would be
Manaya.
different, mission would be
Manaya.
like different.
Yeah.
Sometimes mission and
Manaya.
breakfast would be same outfit.
Manaya.
Same
Manaya.
outfit. He would do
Yeah.
two changes a day.
Maniac, खलनायक.
oh,
Yeah.
hectic. Okay, one एक अच्छी चीज और एक बुरी चीज जो ये शो ने आपके लिए की है personally.
One good thing is that it helped me, मतलब मैं rationally बहुत ज़्यादा more observant and aware हो गया हूँ and ज़िंदगी में मुझे realize हुआ है कि आपके हर decision का असर and consequence आपको झेलना ही पड़ता है. जो भी छोटे से छोटा decision हो, बड़े से बड़ा decision हो, वो कहीं ना कहीं आपको it comes and bites you in the ass. So you should be very mindful with what you are saying and doing. And the one bad thing was that I had to deal with people that I don't necessarily like and or want to talk to.
What about y'all?
For me, one
Achhi
good
cheez.
thing out of the show is
Bola
it
na
taught
pehle.
me that I need to
It
be a
made me
little
more
bit more
mindful.
observant. But it also made me realize that I can underestimate myself. So for me, this was a very out of my comfort zone situation. Also being with 18 other people that I don't know from before the show and being able to survive in that environment with a calm composure for me was something that I think was that I came out of the show thinking that okay, I am a little bit more malleable perhaps than I give myself credit for. One of the bad things that, and some of the friendships that came out for me, came out of the show for me were also a good thing. One of the bad things perhaps that came out of the show for me was the fact that some of my trauma was reactivated. So the show was not an easy place for me to be from a mental health perspective.
Oh.
So yeah. Elnaz?
Well, good thing is that I learned a lot about human nature before and during this show. Because I always want well for everybody around me, I always think that I can trust everybody too. So I really learned that that is not the case in real life. Yeah, and well, it really taught me a lot, and also the friendships and the people that I met. And I don't see anything bad that this show has done for me.
Yeah. Jannat?
I think after this show, I have started believing my gut and instinct a lot more. You know, जिस चीज़ को मैं बहुत ज़्यादा lightly लेती थी या कभी शायद ध्यान भी नहीं देती थी. Also before entering this show, this was something very new. मैं कभी मेरे फैमिली से दूर नहीं रही थी, कभी नहीं सोचा था कि नो कांटेक्ट में भी रह पाऊंगी. सो द फर्स्ट डे जब हम एंटर किए थे मैं बहुत रो रही थी. जाते ही मैं रोने लग गई थी कि मैं कैसे करूँगी, मैं क्या करूँगी. बट ओवर टाइम आई रियलाइज दैट ये सिर्फ आपको लगता है कि शायद आप कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो आप कभी नहीं कर सकते, इसके बिना नहीं रह सकते, उसके बिना नहीं रह सकते. बट आफ्टर अ पॉइंट मुझे ऐसा लगा कि बस अब मुझे यहीं रहना है, जब तक ख़त्म नहीं होता मुझे जाना नहीं है. सो आई थिंक मेरे लिए काफ़ी बड़ी सेल्फ डिस्कवरी थी. बहुत अच्छे मेरे बॉन्ड्स बने और इनफैक्ट सभी के साथ बहुत अच्छे मेरे बॉन्ड्स बने. जो एक बुरी चीज़ है जो शो ने मुझे दी है, आई थिंक ऐसी कुछ मेजर बुरी चीज़ तो नहीं है, बट एक म्यूजिक थी जो हम सर्कल ऑफ शक में जब बैठते थे ना, तो वो एक म्यूजिक प्ले होती थी.
That's my
ठीक है?
favorite
Yeah,
song.
I'm
Don't
getting
even-
goosebumps. I'm getting goosebumps.
Ruined it for us.
Babes
वो
of the
song-
Hunger Games का basically एक
Oh.
theme song है.
सूफी
Hanging
गाता
Tree.
था मेरे बगल में
The
बैठे-बैठे.
Hunger Games is my favorite movie. तो
Can you
मुझे
hum it?
I will
Yes.
sing it to
You
you.
sing it
Are
word for
you?
word.
Are you coming to the tree? They strung up a man. They say he murdered 3. Strange things did happen here. No stranger would it be if we met at midnight in the hanging tree. Are you? Are you? Coming to the tree.
ये
And it's a
जब हम
whole
circle
song.
of
And ये
शक में
crescendo
बैठते
पहुंचा
थे,
था when Karan sir had to enter. तो मतलब
ये
धीमे
आता
से
था।
शुरू होते कि
बहुत मजा
तो
आता
अगर
है।
किसी को मुझे इंस्टेंट एंजाइटी देनी है ना, तो वो
ये
बस
गाना
play
बजाओ।
कर दो, बस
वो गाना
ये
बजाओ।
बुरी चीज़ है जो मुझे सुनने दी है.
क्योंकि हम लोग सब चुप बैठते थे और वो गाना मतलब हमें पूरा ऑल्टर करता था कि अब हम यहाँ पहुंच
पर
गए
वो शो में काट दिया.
बिकॉज
हाँ,
दे
वो
डोंट हैव
है,
राइट्स
हाँ,
ना
बेसिकली एंड वो गाना इसलिए भी
तो हमारे
बजता
लिए भी
था
क्यों ही ruin
कि
किया
हम
उसको?
चुप हो जाए.
बट बेब अच्छा
जब वो
हमें
गाना शुरू
vibes
होता
थी,
था
कितना
something
मजा था
serious.
इट वाज कि करण सर
happen.
एंटर होने वाले हैं तो आप लोग चुप हो जाओ. दैट वाज द
Yeah, it was like if fun is over now.
But it
Bakwas
also-
is
but it
over now.
also
Now
gave
serious
us all
lot of
accusations.
anxiety because
Yeah.
वो गाना उसका मतलब था कि अभी सर्कल शुरू हो रहा है.
Right.
I love that song.
I'm sure. अच्छा, अभी बेटर ट्रेटर कौन था between Elnaz and
Elna.
Elnaz. From what we can see on this edit, for sure Elnaz.
And maybe now Pura will get the chance to shine in episode. I mean, one episode.
Okay, who do you think are 2 people that could be a couple on this show?
Urfi and Harsh.
I mean,
Because they really like each other. They seem to at least.
आप बता
Did
दो.
I say something?
No.
it's correct. It's correct.
This was not shade.
No,
Okay, yeah.
जन्नत आपके लिए?
I don't know, yeah, maybe them only.
Yeah, I think we'll all
Apart from
stick with
ऐसे
this
कोई- yeah.
Apart from them, the people they are shipping are married. They're shipping me and Raftar. Raftar is married and straight. And they're shipping Purav and Apurva. Purav is also like not single.
Yeah, I think he's also committed. or
Yeah,
something.
yeah.
So like the ships are not valid this season.
Okay, so Urfi and Harsh. 2 लोग जो आपको लगता है कि फ्रेंडशिप उनकी सच में ट्रू थी. The best friendship that actually.
Me and Apurva.
Also Jannat and Urfi,
Yeah.
to a great extent. I also choose to still believe our friendship.
Yeah.
I think lots of good duos came out of the show.
Yeah, a lot, yeah.
Okay, and lastly, if
To
you
a certain extent.
Like you are not saying anything, now I am only saying.
No, I'm quiet generally. On Circle of Shak, I always stay quiet.
नहीं, but lastly अगर मैं पूछूं कि अगर season 2 के लिए if you have a random name in your mind.
Rakhi Sawant. 100%.
Everyone give me one name now. So please give me Rakhi Sawant.
Fully. She would make them lose their minds.
That's so
For
true.
traitors.
No traitors, you don't nitpick बहुत थोड़ी है.
But babe, Rakhi dumb नहीं
Okay, so
है.
just
किसने
for
बोला था
logistical
मैं?
reasons,
हाँ.
I feel like Sumukhi should get a chance in season 2.
Yeah.
Sumukhi Suresh, she's a
Suresh.
stand-up comedian. She's fantastic.
Fab.
She's fabulous.
okay.
She's
Yeah.
I can't
one of
think
my
of
most
anything.
favorite people to watch.
Yeah.
I would also love to see.
And I think Sahil should be given another chance so he gets to play this game.
Sahil Salatia.
Okay. Y'all haven't given me a name. Quickly.
I don't have a name in my mind.
Also Shalini Pasi.
Yeah.
She would give looks for days.
Yeah,
Palace wear.
yeah.
अब मुझे lunch outfit पहन के आना है. अब मैं ये outfit पहन के आ रही हूँ. She would let them have it.
Yeah, they would change the rules for her to be able to go to
Yeah,
the room
so
to
that
change and
Shalini
come
can
back.
do 7 looks a day.
But Anshula should be the producer then.
Yeah,
Fully.
100%. 100%.
Absolutely. But thank you so much, guys. Wish you all the very
Thank you.
best for
Thank
everything
you.
coming in the
Thank
future.
you.
And
Thank you.
We're waiting to see the winner.
Thank you so much.
We are also waiting to see the finale episode.
I don't care.